Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing with you how to fry whole chicken. A whole chicken, we're going to fry it like that without cutting it into pieces. So come along with me and let's do this together. 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 2 teaspoons paprika powder, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, ketchup, just to give it the moisture we need. It's optional. Then we are going to massaging. This is going to be heavenly. This is our chicken. See, so I'm going to be preparing the flour we need, the eggs and everything for this chicken. Now I'm going to be pouring this. I'm using this because I'm supposed to use lemonade, or you can use any fizzy drink of your choice. So I'll be using this. What this is going to do is going to make it so crispy. So I'll pour it in a bowl. Chicken powder, ½ teaspoon, salt and baking powder. Then the eggs, we are going to use 3 eggs. Be careful. This is cornstarch or corn flour, so I'll be using some of this, and this is regular flour, plain flour. I'll be using some of this, making 1 cup. What I'll be doing is I'll mix everything together. Why I use cornstarch is that it's going to make it very light. Look at it. Look at how creamy it is. I'll put flour here, just flour on its own. I'll show you what I'll use it for. Now, flour again. All the measurements of everything I'm using will be in the description box, and that is cornstarch or corn flour, salt, 1/4 teaspoon, black pepper, one teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon parsley, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 2 teaspoon paprika powder. You know I love color in my food. Then let me make this ½ teaspoon of chicken powder. Then we mix everything in. So what I'll do to our chicken is first put it in the flour that I didn't add anything to put the seasoning on the chicken. Now we've sealed in the seasoning on the chicken. So what we do is shake off extra flour. Then we go for the batter, the egg mixture. Dip it in. Oh, this is going to be so nice. We're going to put it in our flour, the final stage. Dip it into the flour and don't be afraid to cover it with the flour. See it, well coated. You're ready for frying. Now you can see after about 30 minutes, I checked it when it was like 15 minutes. I changed the direction, the position. So now our chicken is ready. Wow! I'll be bringing it out. See our chicken? Wow! Yeah, it's so hot. See? Perfectly done. Now let me tell you how it is. So juicy, full of flavor. At the same time, a bit of sweetness to it. Very crunchy. When it comes to cooking, you just keep on exploring. As we have explored today, I will say that we can really fry whole chicken without cutting it into pieces. The reason why I opened it up was because I wanted it to get done easily. But you can leave it as whole as it is. You're just going to give it more time. And you saw it. It was so juicy, crispy, and so nice. But before I go to enjoy my chicken, I would like you to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section. If you have not yet subscribed, please do by clicking on the subscribe button, and don't forget to also click on the notification bell, as this will allow you to be notified each time I upload new videos. To all my subscribers, I say a very big thank you. Let's keep on, let's make this family a big family. Till next time, bye.